Imagine this. You're brushing your hair in the morning, and instead of smooth strokes, the brush looks like it's starting its own wig business. Or worse, you run your hand through your hair, and it feels thinner than your phone charger wire. Hair loss sneaks up on all of us, whether it's from stress, bad diet, or that one shampoo we regret buying on sale. But here's the good news. Your scalp isn't broken, it just needs a little wake-up call. And guess what? That wake-up call is already sitting in your kitchen. Today, I'll show you a simple mix, just 3 natural ingredients that can help your hair grow back shockingly fast. No expensive products, no 𝘠𝘠𝘪𝘴 treatments, just things you already know, used in the right way. So, stick with me because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to rub on your scalp, why it works, how to do it safely at home. And trust me, once you know this, you'll never look at your spice rack the same way again. Let's quickly talk about why hair falls out. Don't worry, no boring science class here. Think of your scalp like a garden. When the soil is dry, weak, or full of junk, nothing grows properly. Same with your scalp. Stress, poor nutrition, too much heat styling, and even age can dry out the soil and weaken your roots. Plus, clogged follicles are like trying to grow plants in cement. No chance. That's why shampoos alone don't fix the problem. The truth is, your hair needs nourishment from the root, better blood flow to the scalp, and a boost in natural oils. Without that, hair gets thin, weak, and falls faster than the last slice of pizza at a party. But here's the fun part. The 3 ingredients I'll show you actually recharge your scalp. They improve blood circulation, unclog follicles, and feed your roots the nutrients they've been begging for. In other words, you're basically giving your scalp a fertilizer upgrade. And just like plants come back greener, your hair can come back thicker, stronger, and healthier. The first ingredient is onion juice. Yes, onions, the same ones that make you cry when cutting them, can actually make your hair smile. Here's why. Onions are loaded with sulfur, which boosts collagen production and strengthens hair follicles. Translation: your roots get stronger and your hair stops breaking as easily. Plus, onion juice increases blood circulation to the scalp, which means more nutrients reach your hair roots. It's like delivering pizza right to the door instead of dropping it off down the street. Now, I know what you're thinking, but onion juice smells. True. That's why we'll mix it with the next 2 ingredients to balance it out. Just remember, smelly today, silky tomorrow. To prepare it, peel 1 onion, blend it, and strain the juice. That's it. Quick tip, always do a patch test first to avoid irritation. Now, let's move to the fun part. The magic boosters that team up with onion juice to make this remedy even more powerful. The second ingredient is aloe vera gel. If onion juice is the fertilizer, aloe vera is the conditioner your scalp never knew it needed. Aloe vera is full of vitamins A, C, and E, which repair and renew skin cells. That means your scalp heals faster, stays hydrated, and becomes the perfect environment for new hair to grow. Plus, aloe vera fights dandruff, which is like weeds in your garden, blocking growth. Imagine trying to grow grass while weeds are taking over. No way. With aloe, you're clearing the ground for healthier roots. To use, scoop out fresh aloe vera gel or grab pure organic gel from store. Mix 2 tablespoons with your onion juice. The texture becomes smoother, easier to apply, and guess what? The smell of onion takes a back seat. So now we've got a duo that feeds, heals, and refreshes your scalp. But wait, there's one more superhero ingredient to complete this trio. The third ingredient is coconut oil. This one's the bodyguard for your hair. Coconut oil penetrates deep into the hair shaft, locking in moisture and protecting your strands from breaking. Think of it as bubble wrap for your hair. Plus, it's naturally antibacterial, which keeps your scalp clean and healthy. When you mix coconut oil with onion juice and aloe vera, you've basically created the Avengers of hair care. One strengthens, one heals, and one protects. Here's how to do it. Take 1 tablespoon of warm coconut oil, 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel, and 3 tablespoons of onion juice. Mix them well until it forms a smooth blend. Massage this into your scalp for 5 to 10 minutes, focusing on bald spots or thinning areas. Leave it on for at least 30 minutes before washing it off with a mild shampoo. Do this 2 to 3 times a week, and within weeks, you'll notice reduced hair fall, stronger roots, and baby hairs making a comeback. Now, let's be real. You won't wake up tomorrow looking like Rapunzel. But give this remedy consistent effort, and you'll see results that will shock you. Most people notice less hair fall in 2 to 3 weeks, and visible new growth in 6 to 8 weeks. Imagine running your hands through your hair and actually feeling thickness instead of scalp. That's the kind of confidence booster money can't buy. And speaking of money, why spend hundreds on products that promise miracles but barely deliver when your kitchen holds the real treasure? Plus, applying this remedy can even be relaxing. Think of it as a mini scalp spa at home. And hey, if anyone complains about the onion smell, just tell them you're marinating your scalp for greatness. Who knew self-care could also make you sound like a master chef? Before I wrap up, here's a quick bonus tip. After rinsing out the mix, finish with a cold water rinse. Why? Cold water helps seal your hair cuticles, making them smoother and shinier. Think of it as the top coat of nail polish. It locks everything in. Also, avoid using hot styling tools every day. They're like flamethrowers to your hair. Give your scalp this remedy consistently. Eat a balanced diet rich in protein and vitamins, and stay hydrated. Remember, healthy hair starts from the inside too. So if you're ready to bring your hair back to life, start today. Mix these 3 ingredients, rub them in, and watch the magic happen. And now, it's your turn. Have you ever tried onion juice or aloe vera for hair growth? Comment below with your experience. I'd love to hear it. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more natural remedies, and share this video with a friend who keeps complaining about hair fall. Trust me, their scalp will thank you later.